Good morning, students. Let us continue with the second part of the explanation of the lesson 10, A Poetic Mood and Lack of Food. I hope all of you have gone through the first part of the lesson and the explanation. And if you remember, I left you at the end of the first part with a question. Pick out two words that tell us that the evening is quiet and peaceful. I suppose all of you have found those two words which is related to these two words, and I know I cannot ask you directly, but all the same I am sure all of you have done it. And all the same, let's see where it is. In the first part of the lesson, Kunj Bihari says that he is unable to control the pangs of hunger. Then when Bashambad speaks about it, Kunj Bihari says, what do you say that? Bashambad Babu always comes to your mind. No, all the without even knowing the pangs of hunger that comes to his mind, he said, Bashambad. Then he said, how can it be possible even on this such a calm and silent, beautiful evening? So you have already got the word calm and silent is the two words that is matching to quiet and peaceful evening. So these are the two words. So now let us go ahead with our second part. So the conversation was already Kunj Bihari said, let us go to the garden to continue with the conversation. So Bashambad agrees to it, and they just step out from the place where they were having the conversation, and they went into the garden. Kunj Bihari, Bashambad, let's go then. There is a chill in the air. No, he said. All the same, he said, let us go. But he said, there is a chill in the air. Means it is very cold outside. I am not carrying a wrap either. Wrap means I have nothing to cover myself. I am not carrying it. Kunj Bihari, wow, how exquisite is the Sharat weather. Means Kunj Bihari did not even hear what Bashambad said. He said, what Sharat, no, what a beautiful autumn season is this, and what a nice weather. Exquisite means extremely beautiful. He was thoroughly enjoying it. Bashambad, indeed it is. He is agreeing to that, what Kunj Bihari said. But it is rather chilly, but all the same it is very cold. Kunj Bihari, wrapping his shawl tight around him. It's not chilly at all. So Kunj Bihari tried to wrap once again his shawl tightly, but at the same time he is saying, it's not at all chilly outside, because he has a very good wrap to cover him, and he covered with it, so naturally he will not feel so cold like a Bashambad having nothing. Bashambad, no, it isn't chilly. So Bashambad is agreeing whatever he says. He said, oh, no, it is not at all cold. And he shivers violently, and he is shivering himself so much. No, when it is very cold, we, without our knowledge, we begin to shiver. Kunj Bihari, gazing at the sky. Now Kunj Bihari's complete attention is gone to the sky. Wow, wow, wow. What a blissful sight. Blissful sight means a view that makes one very happy. What a happy sight. Fragments of white clouds floating like swans on the blue lake of the sky, and in their midst the moon resembles. So he is having a comparison of the sky to the lake, and he is telling the clouds on the sky is like just swans floating on the blue lake, and in the mist resembles the moon. Bashambad, coughing very hard. No, he started to cough. No, continuously he was coughing. Kunj Bihari, in their midst the moon resembles. One side Bashambad is coughing, and the other side Kunj Bihari enjoying the beautiful sight of the sky. Bashambad again started to cough. Kunj Bihari prodding him. Prodding means just poking with the finger. He just touched him like this and poked and said, do you hear Bashambad? Babu, in their midst, the moon resembles. Now, completely he is lost in that sight. So, he is just poking, but coughing and all he was not able to hear because his attention was not on that. Bashambad, please wait. Cough, cough, can, ras. No, he was trying to, he became breathless. So he was going on. He told, wait, I will hear you. I'm just, no, he was completely wanting to finish that cough to hear. Kunj Bihari enraged. He became so angry. Enraged means with a shiver with anger. You are a very nasty man. Nasty man, unpleasant. No, you are useless and unpleasant man. If you must cough in this fashion, please withdraw into a corner of your room and lie there, huddled in a blanket, such a garden. So instead of here, you should go, but you are unpleasant man. If you want to cough in this manner, in this fashion, you better withdraw. You go away from here to a corner of your room and go and wrap yourself with a blanket and lie down over there. That is what he said with anger. Bashambad, terrified, desperately suppressing his cough. No, he was trying to suppress, he was trying to control his cough. Sir, I have nothing else aside. In the other words, I have neither blanket nor kanda. Kanda is like a fine hand-stitched thin quilt. In Bengali they call it as a kanda. So he couldn't. He said, I have nothing. That's the reason he was trying to give him the reason why he is coughing. Kunj Bihari, the splendor of this scene reminds me of a song. Let me sing. And Kunj Bihari was not at all sensitive to the needs of this Bashambad, the problem of this Bashambad. So he continued he's telling, when I see the splendor with the beauty and grandeur, the wonder of this beautiful sight reminds me of a song. And let me sing. He wanted to sing and enjoy. So he started to sing, in the beautiful grove, blossoming in the trees, lovely Bakhu. Bakhu is a typical flower with a sweet fragrance. So he is comparing that and he started to sing in that mood. Bashambad sneezes violently. He started to sneeze. Achoo! Kunj Bihari, lovely Bakhu. He is the one side, Bashambad, Achoo, and the Kunj Bihari here with his song fully, completely merged inside, and he is telling beautiful trees, Bakhu. Bashambad again, Achoo, Achoo. Kunj Bihari, do you hear lovely Bakhu? Where Bashambad can hear? He was busy sneezing and coughing. Bashambad again, Achoo, Achoo. You know that when we get cold or cough and especially the nose begin to water, then we feel like kind of getting a kind of uncomfortable feeling, so we keep on sneezing. Kunj Bihari, get out of my garden. He got so angry. He said, get out of my garden from here. So Bashambad, please wait. Achoo. Again, he was wanting to listen, but then he was trying to control himself. He said, wait, let me take breath or let me stop this. Kunj Bihari, out. He said, nothing to hear now. You get out from here. So, poor fellow, he was trying to suppress and wanting to hear, but it was not able. So, he said out, and it is now no way, he has to move out. Before that, he says something that will continue in the next class. So I am going to leave you once again with another question. Do you approve of Kunj Bihari's behavior when Bashambad starts to cough and sneeze, and discuss? So you just go through this second part and just bring to mind these two characters, that is Bashambad and Kunj Bihari, and think, how do you react by hearing the reaction of Kunj Bihari towards Bashambad? Do you agree his behavior? What he did, is it correct, that scolding him and he was lost with his guy? So just go through this, try to collect some thoughts, and we will continue with the next part in the third part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you.